Hello, and let's learn math! Hello, and welcome to another math tutorial video. And our lesson for today is conversion of decimal, fraction, and percent. So we all know that there are a lot of procedures in mathematics that requires the conversion of one unit to another. That's why we're going to tackle now how to convert decimal to percent. We have here our sample number which is 0.67, and we're going to convert it to percent. The basic step in doing so is to move the decimal point 2 places to the right and affix the percent sign. The same procedure's result is just the same as multiplying the decimal by 100. So by moving 2 decimal places or by multiplying 0.67 by 100, we will get 67 and we'll affix the percent sign, and there we have it. We already were able to convert a decimal to percent. Another basic conversion we all need to know is converting fraction to percent. First, we must convert the fraction to decimal. We can do so by dividing the numerator by the denominator. In our sample here, 4/5. We will divide 4 by 5 and we'll get 0.8. After converting the fraction to decimal, we can now perform the basic step in converting decimal to fraction. So we move to 2 decimal places to the right or multiply the decimal by 100. And we'll get 80. Affix the percent sign and we now have 80%. Easy! Now that we know how to convert decimal and fractions to percent, it is important to know how to convert it back to decimal and fractions. So, in order to convert percent back to decimal, we will just do the reverse procedure. With our sample here, 43%, we just move the decimal point 2 places to the left and drop the percent sign or dividing it by 100. It will just result to the same answer, which is 0.43. Now that we have the decimal form, we could convert it to fraction in another step, and at the end, we were then able to convert percent to fraction. In order to do so, we must first determine in what place is the last significant number in our decimal here, 0.43. The last significant number, which is 3, is at the hundredths place. Therefore, we will drop the decimal point and divide 43 by 100. And with that, we now have 43/100, which is already in its lowest term. If dealing with fractions, make sure that it is reduced to its lowest term if applicable. And that was today's tutorial, and I hope you find it easy to do conversions. If you have further questions about our lesson today, just send us your questions at the link below and we'll get your questions as fast as we can. So thank you and goodbye!